This video is going to teach you how to open a document from your lessons, download it into Google Drive, use a program to write on it, and then have it saved so you can upload it for an assignment. When you come to a printer icon in your lesson, that means that this is a worksheet that you should be prepared to complete. If you click on this and be prepared to print it, should open up and look like it is here on my screen. You'll notice in the top right-hand corner a printer icon. You can either choose to download or print. I suggest to click print. And then you just want to have it saved to Google Drive. You can't print from your Chromebook, so you just want to save to Google Drive. You can click Save. Then you can go over to your Google Drive. For my computer, it's going to be like this, but on the Chromebook, you'll access your Google Drive on the bottom bar. You'll open up Google Drive, and you're going to look for your document. As you can see, it's right here for me. I'm going to open it up. And if you notice at the top here, it says Open With. I want you to drop down and click Open with the DocHub. When you open with the DocHub, you then have the option to grab the text, which is just this A here. You can grab this text. You can click into any box on the PDF and just start typing. The assignment is automatically saved. As you can see, it says saved here, and you can go up into this bar and change the name if you would like. Once you're done with this, you can either download it back into the Google Drive. It should automatically be saved there, but if you're not sure, you can go ahead and download to Google Drive. That's where you can get the option to add it into a certain folder or just go into your Google Drive. So you can then you click to export to Drive, and then you'll go into your Drive and find the document. As you can see, it just opened up for me. You can find the document, and this is where you will find it to upload for your assignment. I hope this helps you with not having to print all of your worksheets.